obstetrician and gynecologist, or any surgeon for that matter, knot tying is a critical skill. And today we're focusing on a quick and efficient way to master the double throw. The double throw is essential for making sure that your knots are secure in high tension areas. And today I've got Dr. Sanders-Davies with me to look at a really good technique to make sure that you can do this efficiently.
So we've got a tie that's going through a patient. So we've got here, use your downgoing thread with the needle not attached that you'd pick up to start to do your throw. If you imagine this red string is the one with your needle on, you'd wrap this one round your finger twice and gently bring that downgoing thread through, and as you lay it down you'll see that a double knot is being formed as you swap your hands over.
Let's watch that again in slow motion. Remember that the red thread symbolises the end which has the needle on. You wrap that around your fingers twice and gently pull the other end through, and you would have created your double throw. Once you've mastered that, here is another method for you to try. This one is particularly good for ties or threads where you've already cut off the needle, just because it requires a little bit more dexterity, but the end product will be the same, a nicely laid double throw. So there you have it. Mastering the double throw takes practice, but with these techniques you'll be tying knots quickly and with confidence. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more quick tutorials designed for obstetricians and gynecologists.